Odi yeri goma boigo ore munyakirobo ase kyama kereki ya UPN ni go bananyare ko buri murebense William Samuel Ruto kone kibunanko yare ogochorwa kwe committee ra chikonyara gokonya aso kuringole na kuunenge ba commissioner be kyombe kereki ya IBC abo barachiko ni amabagayu bunenchire ya muyo konyara gwekiranyo bokorre kurwa se kyombe kyobochoro ni chumbe ya IBC nigo nabate bire bunako ikiraboni gachinse muchinge igasorongoro gusia mune chinse muchinde ane godi ya nyama yane godi ya nyansiongo nigo chiategere maigasense mo yamagendro kubwatekana no kuboroko para sense meju sekre ngabune kyombo kyo keranyo bochori ABCT keyo negate birebuna abaise gochoro ba commissioner wasobwango mbanyare gokonya chika chiwodi chibere nyama ya nabo igona nyansiongo eriko nyara gwakachikura bunenchire mu yoko nyara gochora bara ikeranya magendro amenyi bensemejo.
I'm the national chairperson of the UPA political party Esaigayo Mogusi, na siku ya leo President William Ruto akiwa na Raila Odinga akiwa na Kalonzo hata Gachagua walikuwa wamepitisha ule mswada the president has assented to the IBC amendments bill. What we want to request the government is that let us put the selection committee of 9 people as soon as possible. We have wards, we have 2 wards in the whole of Western Kenya. That is in Nyamaiya, where Mheshimiwa Zeria presents, and in Nyansiongo, where by elections are supposed to be conducted. Sisi tunaomba serikali iharakishe ile mambo ya kuweka selection panel ya IBC ndio tukuwe na commissioners